Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. 8 products will help clear arteries, eliminate cholesterol, relieve high blood pressure and prevent a heart attack. These foods are worth adding to your diet. Our food plays a key role in our life. After all the food that we eat has a number of special qualities that improve or worsen the work of our body. When we eat hastily and do not prepare healthy and nutrient-rich meals, our health deteriorates and diseases begin to develop. It is important to understand and change our eating habits by increasing the consumption of healthy foods that, in addition to protecting the immune system, will help you cleanse your arteries, feel a significant improvement in your well-being and stop or prevent the development of diseases. Take care of yourself, eat right and will be healthy. We offer you a list of products that help to effectively clean our blood vessels. Apples are very healthy fruits that have antioxidant properties, vitamins, minerals and fibers that actively work in the body to lower cholesterol and purify arteries from fats. In addition, pectin is responsible for improving the condition of the heart, reducing the increased blood pressure and risk of heart attack. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.